So we're in Fresno, California. We just finished doing a flush on this Rinnai RD5. It's existing. It's about 12 years old. And it came out. We had the flush kit was installed already, but it had never, as far as we could tell, had never been utilized to flush this unit. The hot side was frozen, so cold side is still in good shape. You can see valve up here was functional. We flushed through here. Valve here to isolate the cold water, and I can't, I got a glare, so I'm not sure if I'm getting a good picture, but you can see back here that valve works great. Over on the hot side, we had the valve that was in there just to get it turned off. We had to use a wrench to get it turned off. Turning it back on, it snapped off, so it's gone now. We just took it out, replaced it. We got solid brass construction, 3/4 T. That's your relief valve that was already installed. It's still functioning. The spring is working well, and you can see no water's leaking out of it, so that's still in good shape. And then just over to a little brass nipple here to reconnect the relief line. So that's a Falcon stainless steel connector. It's about an 18-incher, full 0.725 inside diameter. Same thing with this Falcon stainless steel connector over to your existing B-PAX. That's either a Zern or a Nibco pipe. It's the crimp style. You can see the fittings are crimped on. We don't use this. We use the Apex, and so it's an expansion type. Anyways, just a quick adapter here and a Falcon stainless steel connector right up into the home, and then of course quick adapter here. These are shark bite fittings, by the way. There's plugs on, and that's for your relief valve. So you never have to activate this at all, but now manually to flush this, you will have to take that supply line off right here, put an adapter on. It's going to be a female pipe thread by a male hose thread. That way you can get your flush kit on here. And those run about, the whole kit runs about $70 on Amazon. Anyways, everything looks good here. Outside of that, this installation is done.